Hi, I'm Chris with the Whistling Kettle, and this is Purple Papayaberry. It's an herbal tea that has butterfly pea flower. It gives it a real vibrant purple color. A little bit of lemon juice makes it pop even more, but we're not going to do that today. It's naturally caffeine free, and it's really, really good iced. To brew it, using our conflicted brewer, you can use 4 tablespoons of tea, 212 degree or boiling water, and 5 to 7 minutes. We're done steeping. We're going to top it off with some cold water, and it's time to enjoy.